It's time to check in with Approved Home Pros.
Homes come in all shapes and sizes, so why should you be restricted to standard window sizing? Thankfully, Ameristar's made-to-measure windows are available quickly and easily. Connor Lucien is here with more today. Thanks for coming in.
Thank you, Jordan.
What is a made-to-measure window?
Made-to-measure window is when we actually go to the home, we look at the window and decide what profile it really needs to be. Is it block fit? Is it retrofit? Is it new construction?
Okay.
And once we decide that, we actually measure each individual window so we can get a proper fit. So make sure it's tight, it's sealed correctly, and it's leak-proof, because we have an unconditional warranty for lifetime on these windows.
Well, that's incredible. So it's about measuring to fit the space, but also the installation is key.
It is, and since we have our own installers, we have our own factory, we have our own salespeople, it's kind of a synergy. We make sure that it's exactly the right window for the right house and the right fit.
Do you guys guide towards the style of window as well? Are we looking at when it fits the space, we want to know the profile kind of matches the aesthetics of the house?
That's a good point. So many people look at it as a one shop, one profile and that's it. For us, we can even look at houses that are 90, 100 years old and retrofit those windows so it integrated, it looks just like it was 100 years ago.
Which is incredible because San Diego has so many of those historic homes and older properties just peppered throughout the county.
Yeah, they're absolutely beautiful homes as well. We love working on them.
So you said that it's all the way from manufacturing through the installation of the window. Ameristar kind of is in charge of that window. How does that benefit the homeowners with this made-to-measure approach?
Because every single step of the way we're there, and if something's wrong, or we actually look at the job site, which has happened rarely, but say there's a water damage or something that we find when we take the window out and we have to repair it, make a larger window or smaller, we can do that, call the factory, have it made that day, come out, and so the install does not get stopped. So at the end of the day, they have their windows, it's done correctly, and it's sealed properly.
That's incredible. You want to have a properly sealed window because what are the dangers of having a window that's not sealed properly?
Oh, tremendous damage, mold, your house, the drywall gets destroyed. It's tremendous costs, into the tens of thousands of dollars.
So you want to make sure that that window is measured correctly to fit perfectly, and then it's installed correctly. Thanks so much, Connor. With made-to-measure windows from Ameristar, you know you're getting a perfect fit for every single window. Call them today at 760-269-8616.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked that video, be sure to subscribe.
You'll have full access to see all our videos. From quick tips to full episodes, it's all at your disposal.
That's right, you'll get great information for all your home improvement projects, but even better, you'll have contact information on hand when you need some help.
All the trusted pros in the network are great resources to have. So hit the subscribe button below and check out more videos.